In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix your iPhone hotspot not showing up on your PC or any other devices. Now, before we start, if you are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now, let us begin. So the first step is go to your settings, and when you're on your settings, just scroll down and there you will see your personal hotspot option. Now your personal hotspot only works when you've turned on your cellular data, so make sure that you turn it on. After you turn your cellular data on, you can go to your personal hotspot option, and after you're there, if you scroll down, you will see maximize capability. Now make sure that you turn this on, and after you turn this on, your devices and your PC should be able to find your hotspot and you'll be able to connect to it. So it's that simple, guys. That is how you fix the problem. Thank you for watching. That is all for the video. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.